Ethereum over Bitcoin. I'm bullish on them both. What do you think?
And Ethereum itself is 100% reliable. It has not had a single moment of downtime since inception. It's one of the few blockchains that has never been down. And then if you needed to do more things on Ethereum, you can build what they call layer 2s on top of it. So Ethereum is essentially infrastructure that now is catching the attention of two industries. The first is the financial sector. The stable coins became really a breakaway product for crypto. And that's like the ChatGPT moment. There's $250 billion worth of stable coins. The vast majority of those are minted on Ethereum. Then the Genius Act was passed by this administration and this Congress, and that greenlighted the proliferation of stable coins onto the blockchain. So banks are now building stablecoin products. That Treasury Secretary Besant thinks that could get to $4 trillion. That's exponential growth, burning gas on Ethereum. And then we have Project Crypto, which is the SEC wanting Wall Street to build on the blockchain. Now, all that collectively, from a Wall Street perspective, is like 1971 for the dollar. And what I mean by that is, in 1971, the dollar went off the gold standard. So in 1971, the dollar became synthetic. And gold was what people bought as a hedge against that synthetic dollar. So you had gold as the trade, and that would be the Bitcoin equivalent. But actually, the synthetic dollar is what created the rails for Wall Street to build all their future products. The futures, curves, derivatives were all because the dollar was a synthetic product. If the dollar was backed by gold, Wall Street would be still a very small business. Well, Wall Street now is going to be building its entire infrastructure onto the blockchain. And the blockchain they're choosing is Ethereum. So this is the 1971 moment where Wall Street is essentially capitalizing on tokenizing the entire world onto a blockchain. That's a huge opportunity.
For the record, I think that the consensus view that September will be bearish for crypto could be true, but actually might not be likely to be true. And sometimes max pain in bull markets is not being able to buy more as the price shoots up higher. And likewise, if I can comment on this, some people are saying that the consensus view now is that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So maybe Bitcoin will continue to outperform Ethereum.